Hello, fellow hair loss people. So today is day 109 of my post-op hair transplant results. Looking in right now, there is pretty harsh light above me. I wanted to kind of give different views of different light, and this is certainly one of them. There's light directly above me, which should give you a pretty good idea of what my hair density looks like. So moving in a little bit closer, you can see pretty dense up in the middle, but the sides still don't quite have that density to the point where you wouldn't be able to notice that I had a hair transplant. But quick anecdotal story, I did see a lot of my friends this past weekend. A lot of them all made point to say how good the hair transplant looks. It was just a nice boost of confidence. Even though it is still thin on the fronts, it's important to know that I do now have a pretty well established hairline. That's something that I haven't had for years because of all the receding that had happened. So overall, every time I get one of these compliments, it just re-encourages the fact that what I did was the right choice, and that every day it looks better and better. So looking in at these areas, you can see I actually have decent density, but under this light, you can tell it's still not quite the density of the middle portion. Then on the left, still struggling, but I do feel like every day that I'm looking at it, that it looks better and better. So I am definitely getting there. I know I made a comment a couple weeks ago about doubles in the very front of my hairline. I still have only seen like 2 doubles. So overall, very happy with the frontal hairs in my hairline. And then looking at the back of my head, still slow to grow. But overall, I'm still happy with how it looks and how it's turned out. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Please make sure to comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe for all my future posts. Thank you.